Good afternoon, guys. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Confirm the sound is okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Eyes trading. How is trading? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Please confirm the sound is okay. You're welcome to today's live stream. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Confirm the sound is audible. I need to be sure you can hear loud and clear. Please confirm. And also confirm you can see my screen. Confirm you can see my screen. I'm currently viewing the Euro USD pair. I'm viewing the Euro USD pair. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay. Okay. So at the moment, GJ is bearish. As you can see, it's bearish. Took a sell trade after the formation of this candle. There was a shift in market structure on 15 minutes. Let me show you. So you can see the shift in market structure on 15 minutes occurred here. You can see that it's occurred here, and so I took a sell after this 15 minutes closed below. You can see I ensured that this 15 minutes candle closed below this most recent higher low where shifting market structure occurred. So I took a sell there, and my stop loss was a few pips above this high, which is about 50 pips, 50 pip risk, and my target is discount area. So at the discount area, you can see we have a fair value gap here that needs to be filled. So this is my target. But before price gets to this target, before it gets to this area, I would like to, close some profit or adjust my stop loss to break even. So this is my first target. As you can see, this is an area of liquidity. There are a lot of sell stop orders, or you call it stop losses, residing at this previous low. The probability for that low. So if my entry is at this point and the risk on the trade is 50 pips, when price gets to this level, how many pips would that be? That's 54 pips. So if a 15-minute candle closes below this level, I would want to close, or probably first thing I would do is adjust my stop loss to my entry price. I would adjust my stop loss to break even. That's what I'm going to do. That's the first step. Then first adjust to break even. Then if price goes in my direction, let's say 70 pips, I would adjust my stop loss to 20 pips below my entry level. So if price reverses or decides to pull back, I wouldn't lose on this trade. I'll still go with 20 pips profits. Okay, so that's how I'm going to manage this trade, this GJ trade. Okay, selling at the moment, once it hits 50 pips, I would adjust my stop loss to break even. And if it's in my direction with 70 pips, I'll reduce my risk. I'll adjust my stop loss to 20 pips below my entry level. So I'm hoping that the market moves in my direction, let's say 100 pips, that's my target. So that's like a risk reward of 1 to 2. Okay, so that's it for GJ. Like I told you guys, I wouldn't be trading USD pairs until CPI data is released. I wouldn't trade USD pairs until CPI data is released on Wednesday. I think it's by 2:30. I need to wait for that data to be released before considering trading USD pairs. Okay, so my focus is on cross currency pairs: Euro, Australian dollar, GBP, JPY. Okay, so that's it for Australia, GBP, JPY. GU also is bearish at the moment, but I'm not interested in trading GU. There's a lot, there's going to be a lot of consolidation between USD on USD base. Okay, it is bearish at the moment. It's likely going to come fill this fair value gap. Okay, it's likely going to come fill this fair value gap this week. G is likely going to come fill this fair value gap this week, or it could also, clear the liquidity residing at this previous low. Okay, it could, clear liquidity residing at this previous low. So if you are selling GU, your first TP should be this fair value gap. Okay, or I was expecting GU to fill the buy side imbalance before going bearish. That's my expectation on GU. Has it filled it? Yeah, it has filled. This is the fair value gap that was created. Okay, this was the fair value gap that was created. It has filled that fair value gap. So at the moment, GU is bearish. It's bearish at the moment. Bearish at the moment, but I wouldn't trade GU until CPI data is released. Okay, technically GU is bearish. Let's see Euro, Australian dollar. My bias for Euro, Australian dollar this week is bullish. My bias is bullish. For Australian dollar USD, my bias is bearish. Is bearish. Okay, no clear buy setup, buy opportunity on Euro Aussie at the moment. No clear buy opportunity, no buy setup on Euro Aussie at the moment. The previous candle closed as a spinning bottom. Okay, let's see. Close as a spinning bottom. Let's go down to 1 hour. Can we identify bullish reversal pattern in 1 hour? Okay, we have what looks like a bullish reversal pattern here, right? This is a spinning top. The next candlestick closed. Sorry, spinning bottom. The next closed bullish, right? So this is a buy setup. Okay, this is a buy setup. Now we need to ensure there's a shift in market structure on the lower time frame. 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Now 15 minutes, the shift in market structure should occur at this point. 15 minutes. Okay, it should occur at this point. Okay, so we need to wait for price to close above this area, this level, before we consider going bullish on Euro Australian dollar. That's my take on Euro Australian dollar. Price needs to close above this high. Okay, so that's it on Euro Australian dollar. On gold, I told you guys you should look for sell opportunity on gold. As you can see, gold has been bullish since the opening of the market. It has been bullish. Gold has been bullish. I told you guys you should expect price to pull back to fill the fair value gap that was created last week. Okay, I told you guys you should wait for price to fill the fair value gap that was created last week. But as you can see, that gap has been filled and price, the market is still trading above that zone. You can see that the market is still trading above that zone. You can see that. This was the fair value gap we identified on gold. Let's go to, okay, so this was the last candle for last week market. This was it. So the time we had last week on 4 hour time frame. So went down to 1 hour 15 minutes. So this was the fair value gap we identified on 1 hour time frame. We're expecting price to fill that fair value gap and probably could get a sell opportunity from that zone. You can see, for price filled that gap, and you can see it kept on going up. You can see that it didn't reverse from that point, and there was no opportunity to sell here. You can see there was no opportunity to sell here. Most people would have jumped in and started selling after the formation of this candle that looks like a shooting star, right? But if you go down to lower time frame, you would see that there was no shift in market structure, lower time frame. So one shouldn't have entered sell. I know a lot of people would have executed sell. One shouldn't have entered sell because there was no shift in market structure. Let's go to 15 minutes. Was there shift in market structure in 15 minutes? No. Shift in market structure in 15 minutes would have occurred at this area. You can see. So there was no shift in market structure. Well, a lot of traders, impatient traders, would have executed sell on this trade. They would have, taken a loss on this. You can see. So that is it. Still looking for sell opportunity on gold. Gold should pull back before long time is gold is bullish long term, but it should pull back, please, to equilibrium. It should pull back to equilibrium or a discount area. That would be the best best price and the right time to buy gold. Okay, sorry, to sell. Yeah, to buy. It should pull back to discounts. Okay, for us to buy. Buying at the current market price, that's very risky. It's very risky. Very risky. Very risky. It could retrace any moment. It could retrace. So patiently wait for price to pull back. If you want to buy, wait for price to pull back before buy. Patience, patience, patience. Wait for price to pull back. Okay. So which other pair should we look at? Look at GU, GJ, EA, and gold. Okay, let's just look at Euro USD before I end the session. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. Okay, so EU also, my price for EU is bearish. So I would have loved to see EU pull back to fill this fair value gap. Okay, we still have a fair value gap here. Okay, I would have loved to see EU back to fill this fair value gap. Okay, you can see. So this is where I'll be considering selling down to 1 hour. Let's say we can identify a fair value gap above that area. We also had a fair value gap here too. This is 1 hour time frame, but I think price already filled that gap. I think let's see 15 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes. Okay, on 15 minutes also we have a fair value gap here that is yet to be filled. So this would be a very good zone to consider Euro USD. This would be a very good zone to consider selling Euro USD. This zone. Okay, so patiently wait for price to fill that gap before you go bearish on Euro USD. That's my take. Okay. So that for this session, I wish you guys a profitable trading day. Please ensure you apply good risk and money management. It's very important. All right, guys. Bye for now.